In this video, we will discuss about blister copper. What is meant by blister copper? The copper having blisters on its surface is called as blister copper. How it is produced? It is produced when molten mass during the dry process of metallurgy or extraction of copper gives off sulfur dioxide gas. This produces blisters on the surface of copper, producing blister copper. Blister copper is impure in nature. It contains 2% metallic and non-metallic impurities. The elements of impurity include silver, aurum, nickel, zinc, lead, stannous, arsenic and sulfur. Now we come towards the purification of blister copper. Generally, two ways are employed for the purification of blister copper. Number 1, poling. Number 2, electrolytic refining. Now we discuss one by one each process. Number 1, poling. In poling, the impurities in the form of oxides are given off as slag or scum. In this, the blister copper is melted on the hearth of a furnace. The oxygen present in the metal as Cu2O oxidizes impurities. Iron is oxidized as iron oxide FeO, which forms a slag with silica lining of furnace. The oxides of other metals and non-metals either pass out as gases or form a scum, which can be removed. Excess of Cu2O, if present, renders copper brittle. This Cu2O excess is removed by covering the surface of copper or in fused form with powdered anthracite and stirring it with poles of green wood. The reducing gases bubble up through the metal and the oxide is reduced. 99.5% pure copper is obtained in this process. Number 2, electrolytic refining. This process is employed after poling and it is employed if metal of high purity is needed or when gold and silver are present in recoverable amount. Then the tough copper obtained after poling is further refined by the electrolytic process. Electrolytic cell in this process consists of following parts. The crude copper is made into anode bars, means anode consists of crude copper in the form of bars. These bars are suspended in a bath consisting of a solution of 15% copper sulfate containing 5% sulfuric acid. This solution acts as electrolyte. Sheets of pure copper act as cathodes. Now we come towards the working of electrolytic cell. On passing the current, pure copper is deposited at the cathode while an equivalent amount is dissolved away from the anode. The impurities like iron, nickel, zinc and cobalt, being metallic and more electropositive, pass into solution as their sulfates, while other precious metals like gold and silver fall down as anodic mud. This mud is further worked for the recovery of these metals. The metal copper obtained is 99.99% pure in nature. This is all about blister copper and its purification.